I'm in Winchester and it's lifts all the time. Now to the first lifts, which are the glass lifts in the middle of the shopping centre.
Going down. Lower 5. Doors open. Going up. Doors closed.
And now to the next lift. Now this is rather an unusual arrangement as Waterstones and Bill's share a lift. Now this lift is in a little service area sort of place in between the two shops. This is rather unusual. Anyway, the lift is a nice 1980s Stanner, but annoyingly the buttons have been replaced.
Doors closing. Ground floor. Lower shopping. Upper parking. Lower parking. Doors opening. Doors closing. Upper parking. Lower shopping. Ground floor. Upper shopping. First floor. Doors opening.
And now along to the Eco Disc, but annoyingly I forgot to film this. Now going outside of the shopping centre and along to a more grotty shopping centre. There weren't any lifts here, apart from in this office bit of the shopping centre which had a really old looking lift. But this office bit seemed to be derelict or shut up or something. I wasn't able to get into this lift and it's probably switched off. That was annoying. This lift looked really good. And now, going along into C&H Fabrics. The lift here looked like it was really old, but annoyingly it's been stupidly modernised.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up.
And now, going along to a car park, but annoyingly the lifts here have been switched off. I don't know why they've switched it off. I reckon it's probably because they kept being vandalised and the council couldn't afford to keep repairing them, but I don't know.